Hi, today I'm going to show you how to draw a door in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of drawing doors and how to place them in a floor plan. Now let's begin by opening our floor plan. At the top, confirm that the door layer is selected, and let's drop at the bottom and type rectangle and enter. Click in workspace, drag your mouse, type 900 millimeters by 200 millimeters and enter. Now let's explode this rectangle. Click on it and then enter. Now let's offset lines. Type in 25 millimeters. Click on the line, offset it. Click on offset. Type in 10 millimeters. Click on that line and click on this line too. Now let's click on that to offset the other line. Type in 40 millimeters. Click on this line and offset it. And then enter. The next step will be drawing a circle. Select that. Click on this point and draw your circle and click on this point. Select line. Click on this point to begin drawing your line and click on that and enter. Let's trim this drawing. Select all this, enter, and then trim that. Now let's offset this line before we continue trimming. Click on that, type 40 millimeters. Offset that line. At the top, select trim, select all this, enter, and let's continue trimming. Let's trim that, this line, and this. On this other side, let's trim that, this one, and this one, and that one. And let's delete this line. Click trim, select all, and let's trim that line and that. And then let's delete this. We are going to trim this line. Select trim, select all, and click on that, and it will be trimmed. Now let's hatch this part. Click on hatch and then select this one and click inside that and inside that, then enter. Now let's draw another rectangle, type in rectangle, enter, click in workspace, type in 900 millimeters by 21 millimeters, click in that rectangle, right click and select move, click on the rectangle and drag your mouse to move it. Now let's offset lines of the rectangle. At the top, click on offset and type 40. Then click in our rectangle and offset in that direction. Now let's explode our rectangle. Click on explode, select our rectangle, enter. Now let's delete this line and extend the other lines. Click on extend, click this line, this one and this one, enter, then click on that line and that, and they will be extended. Now at the top, click on line, let's enter some settings, change that to that, and this one select that, click on that point and click on the midpoint of this line, then draw another one to this end and enter. After that, click on the line, select that and enter. Then at the top, change the line to that and the color to that. Click on this circle, click in this point, draw your circle all the way to that, and then click on it, move it and enter, then delete this line. Now after that, we are going to drag a copy of this, select them all. At the top, click on copy and then drag a copy and enter. The next step is to mirror a copy of this, select it all. At the top, click on mirror, click on that point and mirror a copy and then enter. Delete these parts of the lines, select these lines and delete them. Now let's mirror the other line, these lines. Click on mirror and select this point and mirror a copy. After that, you're going to click on this and delete. Now we are going to create blocks for our door. At the top, click on create and then type door 1. Click on pick point and pick a point for this door type. Click enter. Click on select objects and then select all of these. Once you're done, enter and click OK. And that block has been created. Now let's create a block for this. At the top, click on create, type in door 1 view, click on pick point, pick this point, enter, and then select objects and select all of this, enter, and then click OK. Now let's create a block for this. Click on create, type in door 2, and then click on pick point, and you're going to pick this point, enter, and then select objects, and then select all of this, enter, and then click OK. Now let's create a block for this. Click on create, type in door 2 view, click on pick point, and then click on this point, enter, select these objects, select all of these, and then enter, and then click on OK. Once you're done, now let's place our doors in our floor plan. Select that, click on copy, and then let's drag a copy and place it here. Now let's move our door. Click on move and drag it all the way to here. After that, let's place doors here, 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 and here. And you're going to select that door type, select it. At the top, click on copy and drag a copy of it and place it here. Now let's move it. Right click, click on move, select that point and drag it up to there. After we are done, let's copy this door, click on that and drag a copy all the way to there. Right click and select move, click on the object and drag it. Now let's mirror a copy and then click on it and move it and place it here. Click on it, move it to this point. Now let's place another door, mirror this door, and then mirror that door, and then let's drag it and place it on this wall. Place it there, click on it and drag it and place it here. And then let's place another door on that point. Select that door, click on copy, and then drag a copy here. Now let's rotate this draw. Click on that point and rotate it. Click on the door, click on move, place it there. And then click on that, move it, and drag it to that position. And that's how you place doors in a floor plan.